Hello, in front of me I've got Madden NFL 25. In this video I'll show you pass defense tutorial. In the beginning, let's go to Skills Trainer menu and go to Pass Defense. Here you can learn about Man Blitz, Zone Blitz, Cover 1, Cover 2, Cover 2 Man, Cover 3, Cover 4, Cover 6. Select tutorial you would like to learn. Man Blitz Basics. A blitz is strategy where defensive back will rush into the backfield to sack the quarterback or disrupt the play. Blitzes work well in situations where a deep pass is probable, like a third and long. Formations with the quarterback under center are also good opportunities to blitz. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please like, comment and subscribe.